Hey guys, so this is another version of the popular lambic cake design I made a while back, but this time it looks a lot better and a lot more shiny and a lot more popping. Now this design was ordered just a day before delivery. Can you guys believe that? Yeah, I came through for my client very nicely, and yeah, I still went ahead to bake up the cake with a very yummy of flavors using the richest of feelings. And at this point I was trying to expand the chocolate cake at the center because it came up looking smaller and I didn't want to trim the cake too much, so I just went ahead to expand it, and then filled it in the center, and look at what it looks like, not looking anything like a cake that had gone through that kind of surgical process. Now this is me trying to pop on the glittery pink glitters around the body of the cake. It was so glittery and so beautiful. At this point I was trying to give the texture of the curves that I was going to pipe using my whipped cream, of course, because I wanted it to look Victorian and I wanted it to look vintage but still very girly and classy. This is what we had here, and this is me carefully trying to put the patterns around the sides of the cake with my fidgety hands, of course, because I'm not a typical kind of person that pipes with whipped cream all around sides of the cake. But whenever my clients want that, I do that for them and I go above and beyond for them. So this is me. I kept on piping, and I was done. I just had to add up the final touches with extra glitters, and at this point I was adding the black swags, and I was actually very scared because I didn't want it to slip off and stain the beautiful cake. Okay, I went ahead to add up the balls, and voila, we were done.